President Obama leaving office in a little more than a month, and he may be leaving behind one last scandal. A new Judicial Watch lawsuit asks for the release of the FBI interviews with Obama and his closest advisors concerning the Bureau's case against Rod Blagojevich. The disgraced former governor of Illinois was jailed in 2011 for trying to sell Obama's Senate seat to the highest bidder. Joining us right now to weigh in is Judge Andrew Napolitano. Judge, good morning to you. Real quickly, so once again, Blago, God bless his soul, saw there was some political and monetary hay to be made, so he tried to sell it. And I think he was asking for $1.5 million for Obama's
the language was a little equivocal, but the jury believed the government's case, and the judge believed the government's case, that Governor Blagojevich was trying to get some serious personal financial gain in return for choosing a replacement for Barack Obama. Barack Obama is the United States Senator from Illinois at the time he's elected president. Under Illinois law, when that happens, the governor personally chooses the replacement. And Governor Blagojevich was caught on tape saying, wow, look what I can get for this gig. The FBI gathered evidence, presented to the Justice Department. They presented it to a grand jury, and Blagojevich was indicted, tried, convicted, case appealed, all upheld. He's serving a long prison term. Two of the witnesses that the FBI interviewed, they never called to trial. One was Barack Obama himself, then the brand new president of the United States. The other was Valerie Jarrett, then and now his chief political advisor in the White House.
Well, I understand why Judicial Watch would like to see what the president of the United States said about selling his Senate seat.
Yes.
And I'd like to know what Valerie Jarrett said.
Yes, I think a lot of people would like to know.
Judicial Watch.
It's kind of interesting that what was Barack Obama's first political scandal may turn out also to be his last political scandal, depending upon where this goes. But in my view, this will go nowhere. And I say this with great respect for Judicial Watch, which has filed more than 50 lawsuits against the Department of Justice and the Department of State in Barack Obama's second term, and has done wonderful good for the country by exposing government secrets.
And what they would like to do is they would like the government, and they've asked before, but they said, oh, look, the case is ongoing, so you can't have it now. They would like to see the FBI's 302 forms on what the president and Valerie Jarrett and Rahm Emanuel said.
Correct. So the policy is unused evidence in a criminal case, because they were never called as witnesses against him, is secret to protect the witness.
With the FBI.
Oh, but
we saw the 302s on that.
We had an FBI director who decided to reveal it on his own, which, as you know, violated a number of Justice Department regulations.
Maybe he'll decide to release this too.
Something tells me he won't. But it is fascinating that this is coming back to Barack Obama again in the last month of his presidency.
Okay.
All the best, Stevie. I love those socks. Can you get the socks?
They kind of match my tie. Kind of.